Hey everyone, my name is Andrea. I live in Tampa, Florida, with my son and my husband and our in-laws who live next door to us, but they help take care of my son. I have some pictures to show you. So, open up. Um, it's me and my husband. We met dancing salsa. We've been married for a little over two years or so. I don't even know. And we have a 1.5-year-old son. His name is Nico. He's about to be 1.5, so he pretty much takes up, all my time when I'm not working or studying. But he's the most fun thing to be around. I miss him when I'm not with him. So he's just the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me. This is our pit bull Chewy, and my baby Percy. She is a pug that's like we think 15 years old, and this is my family, my in-laws that live next door to us that help take care of my son, and they speak very, very limited English because they are from Cuba. They've been here pretty much since my husband was 10, so about 20 years. So my Spanish is improving pretty rapidly. And that's just my husband and my son in some novelty shirts because we love The Office. So yeah, I am taking AMP2 because I have to retake it. When I first went to college back in the day, I graduated like I think it was like in 2009 I took AMP. And AMP1 I did great and I got an A, I had a great teacher. The second AMP2 I didn't so much care and wound up getting a C in it, and now I'm applying to PA school, so they don't really want to see C's on your transcript. So taking AMP2 through Doan, hopefully, to get an A, so get that GPA up and everything. I'm also taking a bioscience at the community college, and I have a bachelor's in humanities from UCF, and I have an associate's in physical therapy assistant from Penn State. So that's what I do now. I'm a physical therapist assistant at one of the hospitals in one of the suburbs of Tampa. So I'm in acute care. I see patients that have had recent surgeries or, major illnesses or, pretty much heart surgeries, hip surgeries. You got to move after surgery. So that's what we do. We get them out of bed and we get them back and functional, hopefully, at least until they can get to rehab or discharge home. Um, I'm applying to go to PE school, so I'm hoping to work with more closely with, a lot of patients that I see now on a more personal level, hopefully in endocrinology, because I have a special place in my heart for diabetes. I'm also a crisis text line volunteer, so I volunteer from my house online, and you join the platform, and people text in when they're in times of crisis, and we support them through those times. So that's me pretty much in a nutshell. I look forward to working with all you guys the rest of this term.